Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'll be showing you my Steve Madden handbag collection. Like, I have only 3 of them, and you have probably seen one of them in some of my some try on haul video or something. In one of the vlogs, I think I probably showed that, but I just wanted to show all 3 of them. I do not know their names because these are like old bags. I've been using them like for a long time, so I have no idea what they are called. So I'm just like going to show them because I've been using them for a long time, and I do like all 3 of them. So let me start with the one you would have seen in the vlog. I wish I knew the names, but I don't. So these are some of the bags I've collected over time. So this is the first one. Now I don't remember how much it was or what. I had got this from Burlington. I remember that. So it says Steve Madden. This is like this blush, not blush actually, baby pink with this black metal on it, and that's what I liked, the combination, like pink with the black metal. I liked that. And in the front it looks like this with Steve Madden written there. I love my nail polish today. I did share this on my Instagram. It is the Revlon's what was it called? It was like a nice cool name, Northern Lights. Yes. So it's like the nail art which has like the dual side, and one side they give this plain solid color, and on the other side there's like this glitter. So it looks beautiful. I love the color. Oh my god, this ring is so like thick, it's kind of separating my last finger there. Okay, so beautiful color. Back it looks like this. This is really pretty. It has this zip here, and you open it and it has this zip compartment. Inside it has that black and white kind of thing inside. So really simple. And then it has also the strap, which is pretty cool, because that's why I like it. You can hold it this way, or you can put it, as a crossbody, and the strap is adjustable, so that is cool. You can also take the strap off and just hold the bag. So inside, just that black and white this thing, there is a zip pocket, and then 2 regular open pockets to put your stuff. All these black studs, I love the combination. It's really pretty. So that's the first bag. The second bag, guys, is this one, and it's a white bag. This also has this big strap, which I just put it right now because I had removed this. I never use this. This is such a like thick and big strap, and it doesn't have like this another thing here to hold this. So I don't like that it comes out like that. So I usually take that strap off, but this is also an adjustable strap, like you can see. I mean, it has holes, not adjustable like that, but that one you can like kind of pull it and adjust, but this one is more like adjusting with the buckle. And I'm going to take that off. I don't want to make this like a long video. I just wanted to show all the bags I have, and so that I can continue with my other bags. So this is Steve Madden. It's written Steve Madden on here. This is like with the silverware, and this side it has a big flap, and that's what I liked. And it is like the leather, so it's like nice. It fits in a lot of stuff when I carry, and it's shoulder bag, so that's what I like, that I can hold it on the shoulder. And let me show what is this flap has. If you open, it has like this button here, so if you open it up, then it's a big pocket here. So I like this because I don't have to open the zip every time for my phone and stuff. So I can keep like my phone, some napkins or anything, whatever I need, that I always take it out. I can keep that in this pocket here. And if you see the fabric, I think it's so similar to the other one. Yeah, it's the same fabric. Do they make the same fabric, the Steve Madden? Like, this is the same fabric inside. This is the same fabric that you see inside here. the black and white, kind of the same design also. So that's what I like, that it has this flap, so easy access to your phone and stuff. And then on this side it's just plain, and then on the zip pocket is also a big zip pocket. So if you open it like that, inside again the regular, you know, the Steve Madden tag here, the zip pocket, and then 2 pockets. So pretty much standard Steve Madden bags all have like that. I guess all the standard bags have this kind of style. So that's it. And I like this one here, the chain, because, and it's not full chain because it would hurt my shoulders. So I like that it has this here, and it is like all studs, and here they pop out, but here they're kind of flat, the studs, so they don't hurt you or anything. So it's very comfortable, like when you put it on your shoulder like that, it sits comfortably, so it covers your shoulder. So the chain comes here, so it's like it's still comfortable, and it does fit in a lot. So I like this bag for that reason. You can like fill in more stuff and zip it. It's not stiff, it's like nice, like soft leather. So, and it's not white, it's kind of, it's not like chalk white, right? It is like kind of like a little bit gray mixed in it, like a little bit of that bluish tint to it. So that's the second handbag. So this is a crossbody and shoulder bag. The pink one was kind of like a, you have to hold it in your arms like this, or you can hold it as a crossbody. Now the third bag, this is a bag that I do love this bag. It's like a suitcase for me. I usually take it when I'm like, I have to put a lot of stuff in it, carry it and take it. So this is the bag, and I love this combination, this black with this steel color, with that bluish steel, and it also has pink in it. So it kind of has this light, you know, colors here, and I like this combination with this brown and gold. I like that. It fits in so much. I can put so much things in it because this is that fabric. It's very silky kind of material, silky fabric, and it has like layers. It is thick, and inside it's going to be, this is going to be a little bit different. So it again, inside also the fabric has that shine in it, like shiny kind of fabric. And inside it has one zip pocket, of course, and it's written Steve1 here. It's written Steve1. There is leather inside here, and outside the zip pocket there's leather. And then what is that? Oh, I thought I saw something. And then there's 2 other regular zip pockets, open pockets on this side. So, but I love the look of this. And what especially like is it has a zip here on this side, which is pretty good to keep wallet. You can keep a small wallet, you can keep phone and everything, and which is like kind of outside, right? And then, so that is on one side, it has the zip. On the other side, it has a button here, so you can, like, if you open it up, it has a big pocket. Here I usually just keep napkins and stuff because I'm scared things can fall off. It's a deep pocket, it's not going to fall, but I still like to kind of keep just like napkins and things like that I don't, it's okay if they fall off by mistake. So that's a big pocket outside. That's the zip pocket on this side. And then I love this here. But only thing I was like thinking was, because this is handle is like this, it's too heavy to hold. When you make it heavy, like when you keep a lot of stuff, it's very difficult to hold it. So I love that it has this strap. So let me show you. Oh, another feature that I love here is this, because this is useful for me to keep my keys. Pretty cool. So that's how it looks. And I like this strap because, yeah, it's not that buckle kind of strap. It's removable straps. You can remove it if you don't want it. And when the bag gets heavy, I like this, and it's adjustable. So let me show you the mod shot of all the 3 bags. So I love this combination. It looks cute. If I hold it like this, it's too big. So fabric kind of bag, and it's slouchy. I can even like do like that, and it'll be fine. So, but if it is too heavy, if I have too much stuff in it, it'll be hard to do this. So I usually, what I do is it sits down, like you see this, these like sit down like that, so which is really good. So when it gets heavy, I just like to like put it like that. So there it is. You can make it how much ever longer. So that's the first handbag. Then, so I like that. Oh, the bottom is like this. It has this leather piece here. And then there's fabric, of course. Inside there's full fabric. So it's not going to affect this leather piece. And you can see how the leather has become darker now because it's been, it's been like almost, not almost, it's been 10 years actually. Now this, I told you it has that crossbody, so you can also wear crossbody. Otherwise, like this, I usually wear it like that. So it's a nice like shoulder bag. So I kind of use this. These I use on daily basis. So they are like, I keep rotating them. So these are kind of my grocery bags, I can say. Like, these are the ones I carry usually. And I love this because I like this size. This size I think is like perfect for me. So this pink one, and you can make it like, you can also wear it on shoulder by making this short like this. So you can do that even with the other bag too. You can like, not with the white one, but white one is already a shoulder bag, so it's fine. But the other bag, you can shorten it like this and also wear it like that. So which is pretty good when it gets very heavy. So you can wear it like that. And you can wear it as a crossbody. So you can wear it as a crossbody also like that. So I like that leather too. Can't see my white shoes. I'm wearing my white kitten heel shoes from Dillard's. So that's how this one looks. Cute. I like this color combination with this black and white. So those are the handbags, guys. Just wanted to share these handbags with you guys. So these three. So 1, 2. So these, I think I have only these 3. I don't know. I might go and find something else that I think like, oh, that's Steve Madden. But these are the 3 I wanted to share with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And I will see you in my next video. I will have a giveaway coming up soon. I know I haven't reached 1,000, but I still thought like I will do a giveaway because I have a couple things I've been keeping for a long time, telling you guys that I'll do giveaway. So I thought I'll just do one giveaway. So it'll come soon. So please keep subscribe to my channel and please keep watching. Maybe in next 1 or 2 videos, I probably will announce that giveaway. So thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.